people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making something very simple. We're making nachos. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your Tostito Chips, ground beef. This is already good to go. You can use ground turkey or ground chicken. So this is beef. We have our salsa. You're gonna have tomatoes diced. You're gonna have your cheese and lettuce, as well as black beans. So some people add sour cream, but I don't like sour cream, so we're just gonna build it right now so you can see. So here we go. So there you have it, beautiful nachos. You can try it at home. You don't have to always go and buy it from Taco Bell. Okay, so thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. And most importantly, I hope you tried this at home. All right, enjoy eating and bon appetit.